I'm Aisha, and this is my first video in my YouTube channel. So, I'm 11 years old, and I'm from Philippines, Davao City, and I love playing, doing chores, doing study, doing playing laptop, doing musicalities and stuff. I want to hug my pet. So, first of all, I'm in October 18, 2004. So, my lovest of all is the two musicals, which is my favorite. It's Annie, Georgia Siwa, Miss Eleni. Please watch this. If you want to watch movies to show you what I like them. So, I'm gonna play this thing and then show it to you. Can you that this is the musically? So that's why I love musicals, and this is just 1 minute because I just don't want to make it super annoying. So I'm just gonna wait until 2 minutes. Just have some fun. And yeah. So in 2 minutes, and I'll see you back.